Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install dev C++ in your PC. So go to your favorite browser and then search here dev C++. Hit enter and you will find the first link here. You can see, just click here home dev and then click here dev C++ file. Okay, download original. So just click here, save it and start downloading. Here you can see, so you have to wait for some times. So guys, here you can see, if I go to the downloads, we have this dev CPP. So let's install it. Double click on it, click here yes, select OK, click here OK, then I agree. Okay, then next, then click here install. We will say yes. Now click here finish and now click here OK, and everything looks fine. Now just click here next, then yes, I want to use this. We'll check it and then click here next, then next. Fine. Now click here OK, and here we go. Now let's say I want to create a new file. Now if I click here and if I save it, let's say Ctrl+S, or just click here Ctrl+S from here. And now let's say I want to save it in the downloads. So I'll go to the downloads and here I'm going to say, let's say test.cpp. Hit enter, and now we have to actually write here C++ program.